Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do a quick little mini haul because I just got in some new shoes that I really wanted to share with you all. In my January favorites, I mentioned that I was obsessed with my Veja shoes, I think I'm saying that correctly, and that I wanted another pair. Finally jumped the gun and purchased another pair. They're not the cheapest sneaker, but I really wanted another pair of. So I wanted to share with you all which sneakers I got and give y'all a quick little review on them. I ordered my Veja sneakers this time from, or Vejas, whatever, from Free People. I think last time when I bought my other Veja sneakers, I bought them from Anthropology, I believe. Yeah, so, but this time I ordered them from Free People and I'm obsessed. There were a lot of different colors that I was wanting, but they didn't have them in stock, and what I was looking for in a sneaker was like a casual sneaker that kind of looked like New Balances, but I didn't actually want New Balances. I found these and I'm obsessed. So here is the box. So the ones that I got are the, let me pull up the actual name of them. They're called the Veja SDU RT sneakers, and I got them in the color Natural California. So let me open them up and show you guys. So here they are in the box. Look how cute they are. They are this really pretty, it kind of looks like, I don't know, like an old school sneaker. I don't know. It looks like the New Balances, I feel. And this is what it looks like from the front. It's a really pretty little mesh color, and it has the V and this really pretty, I guess like dark blue. It's kind of hard to tell, but this is like, it's like, what is this called? Suede maybe? And then this is mesh, and then this is leather. And then it says Veja here in the back. And then it has this tongue, which at first online, it looked a little odd because it looks really long, but it doesn't look bad at all. So here they are. They are so cute. This is exactly what I was looking for. I just wanted a sneaker that looked like this, just very, I don't know how to explain it. I'll read y'all the description of what it says online. But yeah, I actually got these in a size 39, so that's a US 8. I'm usually a 7.5 or 8, but my other Vejas are a 38, and I had to break those in a lot, so I decided to size up on these, which I kind of regret because they fit me a little bit big. I have this problem with my foot where it's really, really thin, so, but I have a long foot, so it's a skinny long foot, so anytime I get an 8, my foot feels very thin and it slides to the front. And then sometimes when I get 7.5s, then like I'm really cutting it close to the tip of the toe of the shoe, but then my foot is like good. So I don't know. But I just got these in a 38, like I said, and they fit fine. Like I'm not gonna return them, but I kind of wish they fit a little bit smaller, but it's totally okay because it like just gives you room. But I guess like if I would have gotten a 38, I could have stretched them out. Oh well, it's okay. So yeah, I just love the overall neutral look of the shoe. I haven't walked in them obviously because I just got them, but they seem pretty comfortable. The other pair of Vejas, the first couple of weeks, they were unfreaking bearable, but now they're super comfortable. But these, they already feel comfortable. So I want to share with y'all how much they cost and everything. So like I said, these are called the Veja SDU RT sneakers. I got them in the color Natural California. And so these are, I'm going to read y'all the description. I don't know what it says online. These are classy, sporty sneakers from Veja, featured in a low top style made with organic and recycled materials. So if you don't know about Veja, they are known for using recyclable materials in their shoes. And so I just like, oh, honestly, I was going to get Nikes that kind of had the same style, and then I was almost gonna get New Balances, but I just like this brand. I feel like it goes with me. It's kind of like an elevated sneaker, I feel, and I'm not like a super sporty person, so when I wear sneakers, I want ones that fit my style, and I feel like these just do. And not everyone has Vejas. I mean, I feel like they're getting more popular, but I just overall like the brand. That's really it. But anyways, they have a lace-up closure, so lace up, mesh detailing, and a cushion design. I did notice that in the inside, it has a removable insole. So if you want to use a different type of insole, then you can, but that's nice to have. Like I said, if you don't know about Veja, they are made with eco-conscious. It's an eco-conscious design. It contains at least 50% of a certified eco-conscious fiber or process. So that's awesome if that's something that you really, care about. So yes, that is the style that I got. They have a couple of other colors in this style, but if you don't like this style or you can't find it online, they also have a new pair of sneakers in the line that looks really similar to these, called the Veja Rio Bronco sneakers, and they have a ton of other colors. I almost got them. I don't know if you can see, and I'll insert a picture up above of these pink ones. They're so cute, but I'm kind of glad I didn't, because I feel like these will go with a lot more. So I paid for these. I was trying to use a discount, but you can't use a discount on Veja sneakers, but these were $125. So not too bad. I feel like the ones I got, my other, I think they're called the Campos, the ones I have, I think those were like $150, maybe $140, I'm not sure. But yes, I'm so excited to wear them. I'll try them on for you all and I'll show you what they look like. So that is my quick little unboxing review, I guess, of my Veja sneakers. So I'm so excited to have another pair of Vejas, and I did want to show you, I know this is kind of like a Veja sneaker review, but I just got a new set of rings from Miranda Fry, which is my favorite jewelry company of all time, and I had a $10 coupon code, so I wanted to pick up a set of rings that I can just wear like all the time and not take them off. So I purchased the Aubrey stacking rings, and this is what they look like. It's very simple, just a very simple set of rings. It just has a gold band and then two little stones, which honestly, the stones, they are really, really shiny. I don't know if you can tell, but they're super, super pretty. And I just wanted something dainty that I could wear on this finger, because I always wear my engagement ring or like my wedding set on here, but I'm not wearing it on this hand. And this hand never has anything, so I wanted to be able to wear one, or to be able to wear like a higher quality ring that I can just like not take off. So I don't plan on taking these off at all. Maybe when I shower, just like out of habit, but like I'm gonna wear them all the time. And I ended up deciding to get Miranda Fry because I love the quality of their jewelry. I talk about them all the time. And these actually cost, I think they're on sale for $61, but I had a $10 coupon, and then I used a 10% coupon. Wait, I had a 10% gift card, and then I used a 10% coupon, so they ended up coming out to like $36. So it's a total steal. I literally love Miranda Fry. Their stuff is such good quality, and even though this is like super simple, I just think it's so pretty. And yeah, that is my quick little mini haul unboxing of my Veja sneakers and my Miranda Fry jewelry. Also, today I got lip filler for the first time. So if you can kind of see, my lips are a little bit bruised up, but I got a half a syringe of Versa lip filler, I believe. And so I am trying to get used to them. I am doing a whole video on like my lip filler, like I guess vlog. It's just kind of going, for me kind of explaining why I got lip filler, and then I'm gonna share my results. And so I will be posting that hopefully after this video, but I wanted to do a like first day, second day kind of thing. So this is a 0.5 ml of lip filler. I can already tell you, this is a little preview of what I'm saying in the next video, but I want more. Not because I want like huge lips or anything, but this is the biggest that they're gonna be because it's the first day I got it. And so they're gonna go down a lot, and I feel that if they go down any more, then it won't really be a very significant change. And yeah, the shape is still taking shape because I just did it today, but yeah, so if you're interested in seeing that lip filler journey video, stay tuned. It should be up after this video. And yeah, I think that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.